under my feet. You don't always have to look up high to the big, bright blue and cloudy sky. Just look down and you will find a magical world of a different kind. Of tiny friends to meet, dirt and roots and marching ants, doing a little garden dance, step by step. Oh, isn't it sweet, exploring the world under my feet. Jump, stomp, splash and play. What will we find down there today? Goodbye ants, goodbye under my feet.